The battery pack detection function of iSmartEV P03 supports the original factory inspection level detection of battery packs of various brands. It also integrates for common measurement functions of oscilloscope, multimeter, insulation test and current clamp to meet users' efficient and convenient detection needs in daily maintenance scenarios. This video takes the battery pack of BYD E5 model as an example, and simulates the abnormal problem of the battery pack for actual measurement. First, wait for the device to turn on and enter the main interface. Before performing diagnosis, please log into your personal account. Upgrade all diagnostic software to the latest version to avoid the version being too old to be used normally. Diagnose the disassembled battery pack separately to confirm whether the battery pack is faulty. Use a dedicated connector to connect one end to the battery pack communication connector and the other end to iSmartEV box. Connect the 12V power adapter to power the diagnostic box. Wait for the diagnostic box to start up. Click Battery Pack Detection on the main interface of the device. Select BYD Battery Pack Detection software. Select the E5 model. Select the BMS model, and click Non-Standard Connector Diagnosis. By reading the data, it is found that the voltage of the battery cell is abnormal. The voltage of the 6th cell is 2.606 volts. The voltage of the single battery pack is seriously too low. Open the battery pack cover. Use the P03 multimeter function to confirm the specific fault location of the single battery, and then facilitate maintenance. Open the multimeter use page on the main interface of the device or the function key of the multimeter, and connect the red and black test leads. Select DC voltage on the multimeter function page, select the appropriate range, and click to start measurement. The cells cannot be measured directly due to the overlap of the battery pack modules, but the module where the faulty battery cell is located can be judged by measuring the battery module. Connect the red and black test leads of the multimeter to the total positive and negative total voltages of the module, to obtain the voltage of the module, and confirm whether there is any abnormality in the module. After repairing the abnormal cell, use the P03 insulation tester function to test the battery insulation resistance. Connect the voltage output wire of the insulation tester to the conductor of the battery under test, the insulation test wire to the shell of the battery under test, and the ground wire to ground. Open the insulation tester use page on the main interface of the device or the function key of the insulation tester. Select the resistance test. Select the resistance measurement method. Adjust the measurement output voltage. And click to start measurement. Obtain the insulation resistance value and judge the battery insulation performance. Well, this is the end of the practical demonstration of iSmartEV P03. Welcome to follow SmartSafe official website and official WeChat for more new product information. See you in the next issue.